Ko Nesus tōku ingoa, he uri o Poraurangi no Tikitiki ahau. Kia ora, I'm Nesus. I am from Ngāti Porou, from Tikitiki, and I'm the founder of Voices and Voyages. So the tagline is a platform to connect the global Māori and Pasifika diaspora. But for me, it's shining a spotlight on the amazing things we are doing while away from home, how we build community away from home, and how we are just curious about new experiences. I have been in London for 15 years. The work that I do is for global organisations, and I come across a range of cultures, and the way I interact and the way I am with them is really helped by being Māori. In my years in London, I have met so many extraordinary people doing amazing things, and a real range of careers and industries. So this is a chance for us to talk about the incredible stuff that we do, that we're involved in, that we lead overseas. Well, one, I didn't know a lot of other Māori professionals, aside from the ones I had met now and then, but there was just no space for us, there was no community for us to talk about kaupapa that affect us, like how do we navigate global workspaces as Māori and Pasifika people? How do we show up in those spaces as ourselves? What does it mean we've been away from home for so long? You know, all those aspects, there was nothing for us to talk about. There was no spaces for us to have those conversations, and that's what this platform is to do. What surprised me most about some of the people that I feature is that they back themselves. They 100% back themselves. So they will step outside their comfort zone, and even if it doesn't work, they will stand up, dust themselves off and pivot. Having a global worldview is really beneficial. I think there is such extraordinary opportunities overseas, and that actually leaving Aotearoa even for a short time will only ever broaden your understanding and experience of how other people live, and we will always take those skills home. And I think there's a real gap in that, sharing those stories, and for people maybe back home knowing and understanding that. Any kind of work that I do, I try to work and understand the people I'm with. I think I work really collaboratively. That's really important to me, to understand and take people on the journey with me, and I get a lot of satisfaction from seeing it click with other people when we're all on the same journey together. Voices and Voyages exist because we exist, and we are voyagers, and we travel, and we journey, and we're storytellers.